Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you the technique that you have to follow in your day for learning English language. I know you guys are facing only one problem, that is with whom do you have to speak in English language, because you don't have that environment. There is no one who can speak in this language, who can understand this language in your area. If you come from a Blaze background, there are no there is no one who can speak and understand this language. So the tip I am going to tell you, you just have to follow. Believe me, if you'll follow this tip, you can learn this language very easily, and you will have that kind of ease in this language, in this learning journey. If you'll follow this tip, you will be amazed. You will be amazed after the results. Okay, so that is, you just have to speak in front of the mirror, guys. Like, I'm going to give an example. Okay, just like this, I have this mirror. I just have to speak in front of mirror. You don't have to glimpse, you just have to look at yourself in front of, in your mirror photo. Okay, you just have to look at and start. Hello guys, today I woke up at 5 o'clock. Then after that I went to fresh up, and then I did exercises, and after that I took my breakfast. After that I went I took a bath, and then I went to my college for some works for the study. And after studying, after completing my college, I returned to my house, and after that I enjoyed with my friends. This was lovely day when I went to my college. It was very enjoyable because this was my first day ever when I went to college. So like this, you just have to speak like this. Whatever you have done in your day, you have to speak in front of mirror. If you don't have anyone, you just have to speak in front of the mirror, guys. It is not a big deal. It is not a rocket science. It is just a language, guys. You have to speak. You just have to speak. I know you are taking you have that kind of hesitation. If I will speak, I'm speaking wrong. There is no one who is watching. There is no one who is watching to you. You are alone. You just have to close the door, and you have to speak alone in English language in front of the mirror. You just have to watch, look at yourself while speaking. You don't have to glimpse. Okay, you just have to look at yourself. Whatever you are speaking, you just have to look at. Okay guys, this is the technique that you will follow. If you will follow, you will have that kind of results. Believe me guys, only in just 1 month you will be able to speak good English. You will be able to understand this language, because speaking is must. If you don't have that kind of environment, if you don't have any friends, any English background circle, so this is the only tip. If you will follow, please मेरी बात मान लेना, you will learn this language very easily, guys. Because in starting you just have to, because in starting you are not able to speak good English. जैसे कि 15-16 दिन, मान लो एक 21 डेज ले लीजिए. 21 डेज आपको केवल मिरर के सामने ही बोलना, क्योंकि इस स्पेस में आप बोल नहीं पाओगे अच्छे से बोल नहीं सकते हो, तो आप लोगों से बोलने में शर्माओगे. आई नो बहुत सा हेजिटेशन आएगा, लोग मजाक उड़ाएंगे, लेकिन 21 डेज यदि आप इन मिरर के सामने बोल लोगे तो आपकी इंग्लिश काफ़ी अच्छी हो चुकी होगी. देन यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स, योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, योर कलीग्स. and they will not make fun because you will be able to speak good English because you practiced a lot in front of mirror. You were practicing every day in front of mirror. You were practicing the sentences, the vocabularies, the pronunciation of the vocabularies. You will, you actually have learned so many things, and you are, smarter than those people who will make fun of you. And if you will practice at least 21 days before speaking in front of your friends, if you are beginner, you will learn so many things, and then you will be able to speak good English, and you will not feel any kinds of hesitation while speaking in front of anyone, and they will not make fun of you because you are already a good learner, guys. So this is the technique. If you will follow, if you have a big mirror, so this is going to be very helpful for you because big mirror, you will have a personality, like you are speaking in front of your friend, guys. तो ये टिप फॉलो कर लेना, मिरर के सामने बोल लेना, गाइस. एंड इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो चुकी है, मुझे समझ में आ गया था. देन आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज. आई हैव बीन इम्प्रूविंग दिस लैंग्वेज फॉर 1.5 year. एंड इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मुझे इतना टाइम लग गया. आई हैव इम्प्रूव्ड वेरी वेल व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज. इन जस्ट 1 month आई वाज एबल टू स्पीक गुड इंग्लिश. I used to speak in front of my friends, my colleagues, my family members. और ऐसे धीरे धीरे करते करते मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस इंक्रीज़ होता गया और मैं इस लैंग्वेज को इम्प्रूव करता गया और मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने लगा. फिर मेरी लैंग्वेज और ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव होती गई. तो एक जर्नी, मतलब ये एक प्रोसेस है और बहुत ही इंजॉयबल है गाइस. आप थोड़ा सा लर्न करोगे ना तो आप कॉन्फिडेंस फील करोगे, कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सनालिटी, गाइस. तो ये लैंग्वेज आप निगलेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. आप गांव से हो, आपने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, आपको कुछ नहीं आता, कोई बात नहीं, आपको एक सेंटेंस भी नहीं आता. देयर आर सो मैनी पीपल हु आर अनएजुकेटेड, इवन देन दे आर एबल टू स्पीक गुड इंग्लिश बिकॉज दे प्रैक्टिस्ड इट. They experienced it. Because of this they are able to speak English, because this is a language like Hindi. Anybody taught us to speak in Hindi. We learned it by ourselves because there is background of Hindi background, so we are able to speak good Hindi. So this is just a language like Hindi. You just have to speak, practice and practice, because practice makes man perfect. If you will practice day by day, if you are practicing anything in any kind of career opportunity, you will definitely achieve that goal. If you have that consistency and discipline in your goal, you will achieve definitely, because consistency is the key of success, right? And discipline though is very essential thing. If you are not disciplined in your life, you will be distracted by so many things, because this is the world where there are so many distractions. People are distracted by so many things, because this is the world of social media. Social media is distracting the youth. The youth is watching so many things in mobile phone. If they are not watching good things, they are distracted. If they are watching good things, they are learning something. So guys, this is the technique that you have to follow. You just have to speak in front of the mirror, and you will definitely learn this language. This is very easy language. You don't have to take it like a rocket science. This is not a rocket science. People are doing very well by using this technique. There are so many person who are learning this language by using this technique in front of the mirror. So guys, have a good day. We will meet in another video. Please follow this tip. You will definitely be able to improve your English. Have a good day. Bye bye.